Crystal Ager.
And I'm Mark Elliott, and we start with some new video of a waterspout. Check this out. This was near Tampa, Florida, right about 6:45 local time.
A lot of video and pictures circulating on social media tonight. This is incredible. The National Weather Service reports the waterspout did come onshore and caused some limited damage to at least one home. That's just south of Oldsmar, Florida, in the northern Tampa area, if you're familiar with that. But it's impressive to look at.
Yeah, absolutely. Lots of images on that one. And now take a look at this. We've got tropical storm.
All right, we're going to go in depth about Florida here because, interestingly enough, we saw storms fire up northwest of Tampa Bay. In Forbes, it was on a westward moving storm, but the east side where we saw this waterspout initially turned tornado.
Yeah, it was kind of interesting. Of course, that's why Florida gets quite a few tornadoes. They don't usually last very long, but you have those edges to the bays where you get the land-water interface. And this is a waterspout, but it's got the nature, once it moved onshore, it's a tornado. And this is why we call when tornadoes that look like this, almost like a cylinder, like a paper towel roll, when they have that shape to it, even if they're totally over land, we call them land spots because they look like what the typical waterspout looked like. This one had some pretty strong rotation. You could see that the cloud up at cloud base also had this little swirl around. Yeah, in this picture that we're getting, it's generally likely to be moving from left to right. The top part of it, the part that's in the cloud, moves usually faster than the part that's down at the ground. So that's a water spot becoming a land spot. Once it moves onshore, it damaged some trees and some roofing tiles.
Hopefully, luckily visible, too, for people to see. Now, today, the widespread activity up